serve hot plates.
Some more practicing getting comfortable being uncomfortable, because it's probably about 37 degrees right now. There's the climb out of Palmerton up there, which we're not doing today. We're on the opposite side where we saw the bear before. But the last time we were here, we came up the AT and there was a side trail, so we had taken that one, which is nice. I'll tell you what, it's a lot different hiking in the warm and the cold, and that cold air gets in your lungs. It burns. Now we were here, what, 6 months ago? And now you can see everything. This is where we saw the bear. Woodpecker Trail. So we're gonna go check out this Woodpecker Trail. Well, here.
Yeah, that goes back down. There's another goal.
Oh, so it's kind of like a small loop? Sure. Alright, so no Woodpecker Trail. We just went off trail for a minute. That easy to get lost. I mean, blazes are prominent, yeah, but when you're in terrain like this, you're not really always looking at the blazes because you gotta watch where you're stepping. Back on the AT. A few things. One, I hear a chipmunk. 1B, another chipmunk. Okay, Mr. Chipmunk, make sure I bring my yellow jacket. Number 2, I'm not sure how much I paid for these gloves, but they're garbage. So, yeah, definitely not hiking gloves. But it's okay. I think it's in my pack. This is how we learn. There's a campsite over there. I had thought that we didn't do this part of the trail, but it's all flooding back now. We did do this part of the trail, but we didn't break off at the Woodpecker. Hey, check out this campsite. Up we go into the great unknown. Bill and I had a discussion this morning about how I was like, oh, we never did that part of the AT.
We did.
I'm talking about that. We never did that part of the AT, and I was insistent. But now that we're here, I'm looking like, oh yeah, we did do that part of the AT because that's where we saw the bear, and we did not do the Woodpecker Trail. And I'm kind of being a wimp right now.
Because you never know what's in the water.
Yeah. That's the river. Now I found this bottle, so thanks, universe. Bill said there's a shelter up here. This sure looks like a shelter. I'll take a break in. Not that I need a break. I've literally been hiking for like less than a half mile. Somebody wrote only limes get Lyme disease. That's funny. Pretty awesome. I'm so excited about next year. I signed the logbook.
It is. You put my name in there?
Yeah, I said Dar and Bill out for a hike. Dar practicing for through hike 2021, sober in nature. Alright, I'll probably see you next year, Shelter.
A couple of weeks.
Couple of weeks. I'm not leaving till March, for God's sake.
Couple of weeks.
Bill's throwing me out in January. I was walking along, I'm like, oh my gosh, where are my poles? Somebody would have been like, woo, look at these. It's another cool campsite. So we got two campsites. North Trail Scenic Route rejoins AT 2 miles. It's a nice day, huh? It turned out to be a really great day. It's not real windy. It's kind of chilly, but the sun's out.
Better they get on the bikes.
Too bad I don't have my phone out. Look at my...
Yeah, if you had the gut hooks thing, it would probably tell you.
That's a pretty tree.
Comments what that is. If you're in Pennsylvania, and you're not sure which way to go, a good rule of thumb: find the muddiest, rockiest, steepest climb that you can find and go that way, because it's probably the AT.
Good advice. Other things I need is a little water bottle holder on the strap. I think I saw Wild with one of them. They say when you through hike, technically you don't have to hike the parts of the AT that you've already hiked. However, my parts of Pennsylvania have been so sporadic. I mean, 20 miles here, 25 miles there, 10 miles here, 12 miles there. I'm probably just gonna have to do the whole state again because it doesn't make any sense for me not to. I don't know. I might ask for some advice on that. I imagine I'll feel differently when... Don't you think I'll feel differently when I don't have to hike back?
What, Darlene?
Don't you think I think I'll feel differently when I don't have to hike back.
Yeah, I kept saying the same thing. Going out's all well and good, then you gotta turn around and walk back over.
Like now we're still doing out and backs, or up and backs, or whatever you want to call them. So it's still fun, it's still cool, but I think it's going to be a little different for me, knowing that I'm just keep moving forward. So, guy just asked me if there was hunting today. I mean, I don't know, I'm not a hunter, but if there's one thing I've learned, to wear orange anyway, because you know what? Not everybody follows the law. People do all kinds of shit they're not supposed to do. That possibly is a gun range. I can't see rapid fire in a deer like that. Yeah, it's a road. There's an access road?
I don't know.
Huh. Yeah, it is a road. Trying to think of what's up here. Looking for sneaky sneaks. Huh. There's the highway. Let me see. Handicap access? Really? Let's see where we are. That's Translator Lane. It's just an access road, I think.
Yeah, access to what?
Huh. Interesting.
When's the last time you seen a white mark?
There's one right there.
Oh yeah, super duper faded.
Go up a little ways.
I'm really curious to look at that road.
It's Translator Lane. Coming up that hill. Still got a ways to go, but whew, the good thing about the end of fall and winter, all of most of winter, is you get to see stuff like this. You couldn't see this in the spring or the summer because the foliage would be blocking it. So see, it's always something to be grateful for. Now, upward. That's pretty cool.
Oh yeah, there's the blue trail right there.
Oh!
See the blaze on the rock?
Yeah, holy crap.
That's the blue blaze
There's
right
the blue
there.
blaze trail.
I don't know where it goes.
I don't either.
Well, we're following the AT right now, right?
Yes. But I did see, so that's pretty cool. That's good to know. Good to know. Thanks, babe. Thanks. It's like 15 degrees colder up there. That puts things in perspective for me when I'm say, oh, I don't know, on top of the mountains in other states. So apparently we wound up getting off trail, and now we're at this intersection of road. Bill's up there. I think the blue blaze is up there. This is why I don't really ever go off trail. Oh, the radio tower. That's interesting. This is not the AT, but we'll find it. There's a trail. Holy shit.
I say we just follow it.
Okay. Wow, look at that.
Because remember,
A bit nippy up here. Yeah, this trail looks. Found the blue blaze, which is cool.
so what do you want to do?
Because it takes us back the way where we were anyway, so that's cool. So the AT is definitely over to the left of where we are now, but I gotta tell you, that particular section is really not very well marked. I'm sure some people work on that. Look at that. Things to consider. A full face ski mask because my face is freezing right now, and I'm sure right now it's not even as cold as it's gonna get in places like New Hampshire and Vermont and Maine when I'm 4,000 feet up in the air. Oh, please.
There's 476 right there.
Is that 78?
I don't know, but there's the blue trail right there.
Okay. Oh, there's the river. Right. It's fucking cold up here. It's a beautiful day though. So there's the highway, there's the river. There's the river.
Back up to the edge more.
Oh, really? Back up to the edge more?
Maybe.
We're on the Blue Blaze. It's fucking cold. I found my gloves. So nice.
God saw you. Wow, it's a grave or a. Whoa, holy crap! Look at that.
That's really nice. All the way over there. It was white, and they made it blue. It's the Lehigh River. I think that's 378.
Yeah. You should see it from up there. Still blue blazes down there?
That's why I went back to find you. I don't see any. There's a blue one. See, Pennsylvania doesn't save all the rocks just for the AT. Woo! It's a rocky rock. Holy crap. Bit breezy. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're on top of the Lehigh Tunnel right now, which really puts things in perspective. It's a little tiny road that goes to the giant tunnel. Blue Blaze. Yeah, check it out. This right here is overgrown. This used to be the Blue Blaze. There's a rock with a Blue Blaze on it.
Yeah. Huh. Well, like I said, there's ones, that's the other side of the mountain right there.
Okay.
So if we go up to this tower here, we can look around some more.
Okay.
I'm going to put my jacket back on.
Yeah. Super regretted view of my yellow jacket hanging on the door where I left it to dry. I washed it. It dries pretty quick. I washed it, but I don't throw it in the dryer. I hang dry it and I hung it on the laundry door. And I looked at it this morning and I was like, Darlene, don't forget your jacket. Don't forget something. Ow. Thanks, trees. Blocking the wind.
You want to do some investigation?
Well, I don't want to do any bushwhacking. Where are you going?
I don't know.
I'm not going up there. I'm turning back around. You can call me a party poop or whatever. Don't like walking in the woods where there is not a path because it destroys the natural resources. And also, don't like walking off trail. I mean, hey, if I was in Pennypack Park or something and we went off trail, I mean, hey, yeah, that would be one thing because I'd be in like small square footage circle, but oh, there's a sign. Let's read it.
So now we're back on the AT. There's your white blaze right there.
So that's going further, but this goes back towards the car.
Go back toward the car.
This way.
Yeah, I knew it looped around.
2 miles. Nice. That was fun.
I know.
Wasn't that
You're
fun?
welcome.
Thanks, baby.
Asshole.
It was fun. What's this do?
It's the fucking eject cord.
Back on the AT. That was fun. Little 2 mile. Thanks, Bill. Little 2 mile loop to loop.
Listen, everybody knows that the Blue Blazes are where you go to see scenery.
You heard it here first, people. Or maybe third, I'm not sure. But that was cool. We were walking on top of the Lehigh Tunnel.
Well, we could. I want to climb
No.
up
Do you what? I'm not.
there. Hey, look, no rocks.
Nice. Look, no rocks, peeps. We're in Pennsylvania and there's no rocks.
Pretty nice.
I mean, there's a rock here and there, but it's not like goddamn. What was that, near Wolf Rocks?
Yeah.
Jesus. I've hiked that part of the trail twice already, so I might try to skip it when I through hike. There's parts of Pennsylvania I do want to hike again though, like up near Pine Grove and Clark's Ferry. Not Clark's Ferry. Is it Clark's Ferry? Is that in Virginia? But you know, Delaware Water Gap going into Jersey, which I've already done twice. Not the sucky part. Oh, 183 to 501. That was another brutal stretch, which we did twice because we did up and back. Ooh. I thought about painting rocks and putting them on various parts of the trail, but then I thought about it some more and I thought, do I really want to carry? What's that all about? Huh. Do I really want to carry 5 pounds of rocks with me?
I think that's an overlook.
Okay. Do I really want to carry 5 pounds of rocks with me? Is it really necessary? Probably not. Is it cute? Sure. Sure it's cute. Sure, it'll maybe brighten some people's days. And I like that. I like doing that. It's one of my favorite things to do. I do keep talking about it. I do want to do, is that a campsite? I do want to do a gear video. Go through all my shit. because I feel like I have, my pack isn't packed right. I'm convinced of that. I have my regular pack, then this pack, which is a really nice pack, came with a part that you can attach to the top that you can put like certain things in, and I just don't, I keep packing it wrong. I'm putting shit in there that I don't really need immediately. Like my snacks should be in there, my little first aid kit should be in there, stuff like that. So I'll have to go through it because I'm pretty sure I got some dumb shit in there. What's going on? Onward, Buttercup. I sure like to find a place to sit and have my PB&J. Oh, my Fitbit's buzzing. Probably did 10,000 steps or something. By the way, I have a Spotify playlist for my AT through hike. It is not even near being complete. I do not listen to music when I'm hiking for the most part, but right now I'm not hiking 2,200 miles, so I thought maybe that might change about me. So I started a playlist. I'll put the link in the comments or in the description. Yeah, I think it's something fun. You can follow me on Spotify and check out this site. This is cool. Oh, this is a good one. There's a nice fire pit and some rocks, and look at all this soft squishy for put a tent. This is awesome. Good site, huh? Yeah, Bill had a good point. This doesn't really look like the best spot for a fire, especially on a day like today. There's all this dried up
The pine.
pine. It's definitely way too close.
I mean, if you wanted to make a pot of coffee, I don't know, but
If you wanted to just make a small fire to heat up your water, to boil your water for dinner or something, that's cool. But I wouldn't have one sitting. This is a nice place to tent, though. It's nice because I'm sure in the spring, like if it's raining, it's probably under a lot of cover. Campsite, a lot of campsites on this part of the trail. It's pretty cool. It's good to know. I'll write it in the description or whatever. I don't know, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll put this video in a blog or something, talk about it more there. So there's a smaller site down there. Look at this fire pit. Wow, that's awesome. That's a good one. There's another one over here. Is that another fire pit? Another view. That's a really good one. Got some Kindle. Nice seats. It's a good one, huh?
yeah,
It's got some little recliner seats too. What?
I like that one.
Yeah, it's a good one. South Trail rejoins AT at 1.1 miles. So you want to do another Blue Blaze? Okay, back on the Blue Blaze. So right now, we're back on a Blue Blaze. Oh.
What do we know about the Blue Blazers?
They have the views. Loose rocks, next 1 mile, hazardous when wet. There's Bill and his great ideas.
I see a peg.
Oh, look at this. Oh my god, I think that's rose quartz. I don't know if you can see the color, but it's definitely pink. Holy crap. Yeah, we'll meet back up in a mile? That's supposed to say, you're supposed to say yes. Do you know where you're going? No. Okay. Well, I guess I am too now. It's a nice view. Sure glad this is dry. Probably not too much fun. It even had a sign that to be dangerous when it's wet. So, alright, I'll see you in a bit. gonna take me a while. Alright. I'll be back. Well, I just came from there. And now we gotta go up here. So it's a great view. Bill went on ahead of me because I had told him I was going back to the AT, but I decided not to, and I regret it. But here I am. That's pretty crazy because this is kind of terrifying. I'll tell you what, I need to get some fucking muscle strength, that's for sure. But I'm super grateful that none of this shit is wet. Hopefully you don't get motion sickness. So, but I'm already committed at this point. Maybe I should be committed because this is fucking crazy. Look at that. Going that way. There's the backside. There's where I'm going. There's the view. And there's where I came from. Looks like it gets easier. So I guess I'm getting some practice in because I'm sure there's parts of the AT that are probably 100 times harder than this. And just some shit I better get used to. And this isn't even wet, so I should probably be grateful for that, which I am. I just have to learn to trust myself. So I'm gonna make the right footing decisions and everything like that. Just came from there. Going this way. Still on these rocks. Holy shit. I climbed that. Oh my god. That's kind of amazing. I mean, it probably isn't shit to most people, but it is to me, because two things. I'm terrified of heights. It's like really the only thing I'm afraid of. That and being suffocated to death or drowning. And I don't like to fall. And I kind of fall a lot. So, that's a nice view, huh? No idea what this is called, but I just came from that way. And now I'm going this way. I don't know if that rock has a name, but I feel like it should. These rocks are rocking. Holy shit. Am I even going the right way? Yeah. I came from. I guess it's actually a good thing that Bill left me Lake Tunnel Trail. Because I gotta figure this shit out. There's a blue blaze. So where's the next one? Blue. 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 And I can see why people throw their pole. Pretty sure I saw that sign earlier. So, made it off of the Blue Blaze, met Bill. We're back on the AT, headed back to the car, hauling ass, because the sun goes down earlier now. So, still didn't eat my sandwich. I did have some water. It's been a fun day. We were just up there. Yeah, it's on the left now. There's a few of them, but 2 of them use maps. So we just left the shelter from somebody. Had some PBJs and some water. Adjusted our packs. Just scoped it out for some tent sites. Doesn't look like there's too many there. There's somebody behind us, Bill. We're gonna put a wrap on this one. Might hit you guys back up when I get back to the vehicle. We're trying to navigate walking the rocks this dude's running down. There's some white blazes. Well, we made it back before dark, so that's good.
That was my main objective.
That time we got stuck in Pennsylvania in the dark. And we felt bad too, because we definitely passed some thru hikers that were camping, so I want to profusely apologize for. We were quiet, but still.
Not really.
We were hauling ass. There's the bridge. There's the other mountain. The other part of the AT is right up there. You gotta walk out, walk down the road, walk over, walk up. You can see the one trail. There's a person walking on it right there, where my top hiking pole is.
Up the side?
On the side of the mountain.
On the flat part.
Yeah,
If
going
I'm
up.
going up, I don't have to actually look down. I can just,
That's
I
true.
can just concentrate on what's in front of me and going up until I reach the other side.